Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out, quick video for some of you guys that are struggling about this. You see that gun safe right there? So I got it from Tractor Supply. I got it in a really good deal. Black Friday. I think I paid like, I don't remember, like $500 or something like that, which was a great deal, great discount. But I've been using it for quite some time. I had spoken about this safe in the past. I tried to find one of the videos. I'll link it down below. I want to make this video quick, but I went to open it up and it didn't work. And I'm like flipping out. I'm like, how am I going to get my guns? Things like that. Obviously, being the guy that I am, I got weapons in other places. So I still had a weapon to protect my family and things like that. But again, obviously I couldn't open the gun safe and I have my AR-15s in there and things like that. So I started looking here in the community. I started looking, videos, how to open the safe, this and that. People talking about $800 this and cut that. And one guy, which, bless his soul and bless him, he was like, hey, just change the battery. And what I did was, let me come back here, is that I went and bought a crappy battery. I was in the store and I said, okay, I just get a battery, replace the battery. So I put this on, or essentially I did this first, actually. I put this on and I put the code, and again, it wouldn't work. And I'm like, wow, I changed the battery, all that stuff, and it just doesn't work. So that's when I actually saw the video from that dude, and the dude was like, you got to be really careful on the batteries that you're using, because some batteries are just not strong enough. Use a different battery. Use a battery that is, in the, I guess, in the battery community, that may be like really strong and things like that. And I went back and I bought an Energizer Max, and man, I put it on. Actually came in a pack of 2. This is a second one, and I put it on, and you know what? It opened the safe right away. So I was so excited, because obviously that's better than, cutting the safe open and all that. So here's the tip. Don't use crappy batteries. I made that mistake. This didn't work. The battery that I had before, it was actually a decent battery. I think it was a Duracell, and it lasted for over a year. So again, when I bought this one, thinking that it was going to work, it didn't work. I got, again, a decent one, and it did work. So the thing here is pretty simple. You know what? If your gun safe is not opening, don't go crazy. Specifically in this Canon, go when with the kind of lock that it had. Go and buy a decent battery. Put it on, and hopefully that's going to resolve the issue. In my case, bless the Lord, that resolved the issue. And I'm going to tell you, now thinking about this, I really didn't implement any type of plan or anything like that, because again, I've been using the safe with no issues. But maybe a lot of guys do this, and this is just a pro tip that I'm going to give you guys. Some of you guys do this for firearms and things like that. Change the batteries on your birthday. That's something that a lot of people do. So essentially what you do is that every birthday you replace your optics or batteries. You replace any batteries that you think that may need to be replaced. So again, that's a good tip. I know somebody in the community said it. It's not my tip. It's something that I got from somebody's video saying at one point. But again, you don't want to go and open the safe and the safe doesn't open. It's kind of like a bad deal. Again, maybe another tip is have guns in different places, as long as they're secure, obviously. So in case this is fail, you have a different firearm. So again, you know what? I'm pretty excited that this worked. It saved me a lot of money and just peace of mind, because I was getting pretty worried about it. So change the battery in your gun safe if the gun safe is not opening, and hopefully that would do it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.